In the rich tapestry of human ingenuity, robotics weaves a vivid narrative, transforming dreams into reality. Visionaries once imagined robots as fictional beings confined to literature. Yet, from these early concepts, a fervent quest emerged to bring these imagined entities to life. The dawn of robotics was not marked by immediate triumphs, but by initial prototypes that struggled to meet their creators' visions. These foundational constructs, albeit clunky, laid the groundwork for the future of robotics. Amidst skepticism, the pioneers of robotics persisted, facing challenges with a relentless spirit of innovation. Early failures, rather than discouraging, taught valuable lessons, steering the field towards groundbreaking advancements. Remember the tenacity of these inventors. Their courage in the face of doubt and adversity has set the stage for the robotic marvels we witness today, seamlessly integrating into our daily lives. As we delve further into the digital age, our societal fabric, traditionally woven with routine and habit, began to morph under the influence of a technological renaissance. Artificial intelligence and robotics, once mere concepts, now stand as pillars of transformative change. Robots have transcended their initial roles, evolving from assistants to become essential elements of our daily existence. Their application spans across diverse domains, from healthcare, enhancing surgical precision, to manufacturing, where they ensure safety and efficiency as they work beside humans. This era of automation has revitalized industries, demonstrating the profound potential of human-machine collaboration. However, it introduces ethical questions and societal challenges, such as workforce adaptation in an ever-evolving landscape of automation. Despite these complexities, this age is a testament to human ingenuity, heralding a future where technology and humanity coalesce, crafting realms previously deemed unreachable. Standing at the threshold of the future, our exploration of smart robots leads us to a horizon brimming with infinite potential. The journey from robotics' initial challenges to today's innovations illustrates how artificial intelligence and robotics technology have shattered perceived boundaries. As we peer into what lies ahead, navigating ethical complexities and the reshaping of jobs becomes paramount. The promise of AI and robotics lies in augmenting human capability, addressing critical issues, and crafting a symbiotic future where technology progresses in unison with humanity. As we approach this new dawn, let us embrace the endless possibilities that robotics hold, guided by collective imagination and determination to forge a future that mirrors our highest aspirations.